Lufthansa. Rugăciunea de sâmbătă.
Captain's Vlog. Stardate 40.322.109.E1006.1147.
Good morning, people of the internet. Good news, I'm heading home, and I'm heading home empty from Edmonton to Surrey. So that means that maybe we do a little bit of Lufthansa. If you know, you know. Catch you on the live stream. Rugăciunea de sâmbătă. Doamne Iisus Hristoase, jucătorul meu prea drept, cunosc că păcatele mele sunt fără de număr. Yes, they didn't make them like they used to. I tried to fix it like a few months ago, but that didn't work.
Driving to Jasper always brings fun memories. We were here back in 2016 when we first visited Canada, and we loved it. We went up the mountain. We stayed at a campsite towards the glacier lakes, and I think we stayed for a week and a half, and we loved it. It was utter shock for us when We went to the post office and police station and we saw elk just on the lawn in front of it and just hanging around in plain daylight. I was like, yo, what's going on here? And for the week and a bit that we stayed, the weather was, we came in April, so around the same time like now, and we had snow, sunshine, everything. Like, it was absolute mayhem with the weather. I don't know if that's normal or not, but yeah, it was nice. We love Jasper. That's basically it. Thank you for having us, Jasper. Shout out to Jamie, as he told me that Langley will be busy, and even many hours later, Langley was still busy. This was midnight, I believe, and I was getting close to home. And was just a little bit happy because I can be home with my family for Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Thank you for following, watching, and much health. Bye bye.